Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I wanna review about my apps. This is a Kurban apps. I after make five codes from the Google AI Studio. So this is my this is the result about my five code, and I integrate to the phone C. Yeah. This is for the admin. So the system is if you uh, if you enter for your data VR for this is the token for phone C for this. Yeah. If you um, enter for the data. This is the example I use. Name is uh, Sofian. Sofian. So you just enter the number where number. This is I use for my number first. Numbers. Okay, so this is the pesan for the message in the place we are. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Di panitia kurban. Yeah. So after you complete for the message, you just go and click for trigger manual place here. Okay, I have success. So you can to show in this dashboard notification. This is the place we are message can success. So if you will to if you will show in the WhatsApp, you can enter it. This is I want to show to you about the WhatsApp. Okay, this is the example. Yeah, if your message success to send for your number. Yeah. This is so. The next is the dashboard in the public 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 resource public source. This is for your the share about the meat, yeah, the kurban. This is the source the panitia. So this is we have the ID card, and this is you can to uh, share for the coupon to get the meat kurban. So you can add for your Middle East, the new Middle East. So this is dashboard from the Mustahik. Yeah. This is the people he wanted to kurban. So this is we can tracking for the uh, tracking for the Mustahik. Is the but he get meat, yeah, he get meat kurban. So in the dashboard, the main dashboard, this is tracking about the progress uh, in your animals, yeah, animals kurban. This is we can track, yeah. If this is have the process, we can click this. Okay. The status is update. So again in the squad one, and then so if you click, yeah, if you click for your the uh, group. Yeah, for the group, uh, this is example the God. Yeah, the group two God. This is the member is the one the mother Khadija. If we progress, yeah, the notification in the VR that is to chance, yeah, to update notification in the VR. So in the mustahil, that's no no mudohi, yeah, mudohi can the take tracker for the timeline program, yeah, until to the finish. Okay, maybe this for my review about the Kurban application. So thanks for watching and see you next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.